everybody, I'm Natalie.
And I'm Petrea, and we're the Social Distancing Sisters, here to share some great information with you about gift giving with essential oils. Now, doTERRA's oils can be used aromatically, topically, and internally, which is wonderful because it makes them super versatile. We have this awesome mini kit, and we're going to share some ideas on some things you can make if you're a make and taker, or some things that you can do with the oils by splitting them apart and making multiple gifts out of one pack. One of the things that I like to make for a holiday gift is to take and make sugar scrubs. So I will use sugar and fractionated coconut oil. I'll add a couple drops of my essential oils of choice, and that will be a wonderful gift, really exfoliating and moisturizing. We're going to be going over recipes in depth when we teach a make and take class. For those people that get a mini kit, we'll be inviting you to that make and take class with lots of recipes. Natalie, what's something you like to make during the holiday season?
So what I love to make during the holiday season is a very popular lip balm, and I use the peppermint oil in it. And it is a huge fan favorite. I make a ton at Christmas time and give it to everybody. It's very low cost, very few ingredients in it. 2 cents a tube is all it costs me to make this lip balm, and it's super, super simple.
And it's so good. Another recipe that you could make is this bath salt. If you want to make a nice relaxing bath salt, you could use lavender, or something to ease muscle tension, you could use AromaTouch. It's simply just using Epsom salts with some fractionated coconut oil and a few drops of the oil of your choice. Really simple and a great gift. Now, if you're not a make and taker, what are some ideas that maybe you could take this kit and turn it into multiple gifts?
I've got a good idea. I would love to get a bottle of peppermint oil with a mug and some hot cocoa. It is so wonderful to have a little bit of peppermint in your hot cocoa.
Ooh, just like a candy cane. I would love to get a pair of fuzzy socks with a bottle of lavender, maybe a book, a little bit of idea to curl up on the couch and stay cozy, warm, and relaxed with lavender.
Another really good idea would be to give a bottle of wild orange with a reusable water bottle. It's very, very hydrating, and it tastes wonderful in the water.
I also think that AromaTouch, our massage blend, would be a great gift for someone that works out. Maybe you could give some workout clothes or some new socks to go to the gym, or even a massage certificate or a massage ball, because a lot of things we are doing from home right now. And this is really great because you can get these oils directly shipped to you, and every purchase benefits the Family Peace Center in Rockford, Illinois. We're going to be taking all the proceeds and donating them to the Family Peace Center for the facility, and we've been granted $15,000 in matching funds. So every dollar that we raise is going to be matched by doTERRA's Healing Hands Foundation. We're really excited for this opportunity. We're excited for you to get your kit, get your oils, and we'll share more, right?
Absolutely. Let's have fun making recipes.
See you all soon, and have a good one.